guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Alyssa and I share realistic hair content. Today we're going to be focusing on a pre-poo or a pre-wash because Old and Faithful has been in a braid and she is dry and she needs to be taken care of. So today I'm going to show you a few products that I have been loving. These products are really good for scalp health, repairing damaged hair, and just strengthening your curls from the inside out. So if you are interested in making your curls stronger for length retention and just healthier curls, go ahead and keep watching. So I've taken my hair out the braid, and as you can see, my hair is dry and needs a lot of help. So I'm going to start out with this hair oil called JVN Pre-Wash Scalp Oil. So I'm going to start by putting it directly on my scalp, so you can section your hair and just directly place it on there. Make sure that the sections that you're using are small enough so that the oil is penetrating your whole scalp. And then once you have applied the oil throughout your whole scalp, you're going to go ahead and massage it. Not only does it feel really nice, but it also helps loosen up the buildup and keeps your hair hydrated while you are shampooing, before you are shampooing. Once you've distributed it throughout your scalp, you're also going to distribute it all the way throughout your ends. You don't have to use an insane amount, and you're just going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. To massage my scalp, I'm just going in with this scalp scrubber I got on Amazon. It feels absolutely amazing, so I'm just going to massage it for a few minutes, and then we will move on to the next step. After you let your hair soak in the oil or saturate in the oil for at least 15 minutes, the bottle says 15 minutes, I kind of just do my own thing. Then we're gonna go in with Curlsmith's, one of my favorite products, their Curl Salve. So with this one, you're supposed to have damp hair. I do not rinse out the oil. I just use a spray bottle and saturate my hair with water, and then I work this thoroughly through my hair till it's fully saturated. This is really good for your ends of your hair where it's prone to more breakage, and it just kind of helps restore, you know, your hair, especially towards the ends where obviously it breaks a lot. So let's go ahead and get started with that. My hair is nice and damp and it's really creamy. It is not a conditioner. I want to be very clear about that. This is definitely a repair treatment that focuses on strengthening the bonds of your hair. So you're working this in, and this is going in before shampoo and conditioner. And I'm always very generous towards the ends because that is how you have length retention. I don't do too much to the scalp. Like, I will get to, you know, the front of my hair and like try to get as close to the scalp, but you don't want to massage this into your scalp, or at least I don't, because I'm focusing on the strands and the bonds of my hair, not necessarily the scalp, and I want the oil to continue to work on the growth, and this product is going to help you work on retention. And just when you think you have enough of the product on the ends, add a little bit more. And you can keep this in your hair for up to an hour. So this is definitely something that you would do when you have free time. It doesn't take up your time, but it needs to sit in your hair for a while. So you can use this time to clean, hang out with your kids, do homework, do work. Just, you know, just let it sit. And so I like to put on a metal foil cap to kind of make sure that the bonds of my hair, the hair shafts, are opening up and it's actually absorbing the product to the best of its ability. And you can keep it on for as low as 15 minutes or as long as an hour. And then that's when we're going to go ahead and do the shampoo and conditioner. But feel free to just hang out in a high top bun and get some things done while you're waiting. Okay, once you've let this sit for up to an hour, you're gonna go in with whatever shampoo and conditioner you want. I just decided to stick with the Strength line by Curlsmith, and you're gonna shampoo your hair twice, thoroughly rinse everything out, and I am gonna also use my scalp scrubber. After that, I'm gonna go in with the Curlsmith Multitask Conditioner. This can be your step 2 or 3. This is a really great conditioner because you can use it as a regular conditioner, you can use it as a deep conditioner, or you can also use it as a leave-in, and that's really rare. So I like this conditioner because it's multi-purpose. So I'm going to use it as a deep condition after I shampoo my hair, and then I am also going to apply it to my scalp as a leave-in. Alright guys, I have completed washing and conditioning my hair. I did 2 washes, 1 condition, and I let it be a deep condition, and I left it in there a good minute. I went and showered and did all my things, so I am already ready for bed. But I wanted to show you guys what my curls are looking like after using the product. Obviously my hair is still wet, but I do feel like they're already softer, and I do feel like I am seeing less frizz than I would normally see, which means that I feel like the hair, or my hair, really needed that restoration. So if you are looking for something to kind of strengthen your hair strands and your bonds of your hair to keep length retention, I definitely recommend trying this routine, and let me know how it works out for you guys. It is late, so I'm probably going to stop my hair tomorrow, but I definitely feel like I see a difference, and I love their products because they smell really good. Also, when I was detangling my hair, I also feel like there was a lot less breakage than normal, and my curls definitely feel stronger. So having healthy hair and long hair is definitely a journey, but consistency is the biggest thing that you need to stick to in order for you to see the results that you're looking for. I hope this video gave you ideas for your next curly hair routine. And if you have tried any of these products, let me know down below in the comments and let me know what your thoughts were. Or if you have any ideas on different pre-poo treatments for your hair, go ahead and let me know that down below. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.